You worked 14 hours last week and earned a total of $96 before taxes. You have two jobs. Your job as a lifeguard pays $8 per hour, and your job as a cashier pays $6 per hour. Use a matrix to determine how many hours you worked at each job. So there's two unknowns here. I'm going to call them X and Y. Okay? The things we don't know is how many hours we worked at each job. So the job at the lifeguard we'll say is 1. So number of hours as a lifeguard. And Y will be the number of hours as a cashier. Okay. Now we need to write some equations that represents the information we know. First of all, we know that you worked a total of 14 hours last week. So that's simply X plus Y. X plus Y is equal to 14. We also know that you earned $96 before taxes. So we look at how much we get per job. As a lifeguard, you make $8 per hour. So 8 times X, since X is the number of hours worked as a lifeguard, will be the amount that you earn as a lifeguard, plus $6 per hour is what you earn as a cashier. And so 6 times Y will be what you earn as a cashier. Add those together and you get the total amount that you earned, which is the $96. So here's a system of equations that represents our earnings. To solve this, to find how many hours you worked at each job, we're going to use the augmented matrix, which is, well, the 1x, 1y equals 14, and 8x plus, no x, we don't write the variables, 8x plus 6y equals 96. There's our augmented matrix, and now we need to reduce it to get our solution. We'll do that with a matrix calculator. We'll create this matrix. This is a 2 by 3 matrix. We've got 1, 1, 14, and 8, 6, and 96. Then we need to reduce. So we do RREF, and then for our input, we'll put the matrix that we just found, which we just set, which is A. And that reduces it, and we get 6 and 8. So this is 1x equals 6. So x equals 6, and 1y equals 8. X equals 6, and y equals 8. That tells us that you worked 6 hours as a lifeguard and 8 hours as a cashier.